Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to grow your business with WhatsApp communities. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do if you haven't done so is just click on the download option. And from here, all you have to do is just follow the installation guide and you're good to go. After that, click on the WhatsApp web because from here, just open your WhatsApp on your phone, tap the three ellipses menu on Android or the cog icon settings on iPhone, tap link devices and then link a device. Point your phone at the screen to capture the QR code and you're good to go. You wanna try the link with the phone number as well here and the get from Microsoft Store. When you click on it, you're all set. Okay, so for those who are new in the WhatsApp community, basically from here, you can connect related groups, you can send announcement, you can even create topics based on chats. In the connect related groups, communities lets you organize your related groups right here. In one place and easily sync between them, right? You can send an announcement right here so that you can reach all community members at once through the announcement groups. And from the create topic based chats, keep chats focused on a topic with groups small or large. Now, the thing is, how can you grow business using the WhatsApp communities right here? How can you utilize this feature so that you can grow your business, your shop, your store, or your entrepreneurship? Now, the first thing is, using WhatsApp communities can be a powerful way to grow your business. The first thing is you need to create a community group. All right, from here you can start by creating a dedicated WhatsApp group for your business community. Now, this group can include your existing customers, potential leads, and a lot more, all right? And from here, make sure the group is focused on providing value and fostering engagement. Now, you have an option here for the disappearing messages, like all new messages in this chat will disappear after the selected duration. You can put a privacy like 90 days, 7 days, or 24 hours. And you can also add a logo or a picture that best represents your brand and of course your identity, and regularly share valuable content related to your business niche in this WhatsApp group that you're about to create, because this could include informative articles such as how-to guides, product updates, special features, and exclusive discounts. You have to encourage group members to share their thoughts right here and ask questions and engage with the content. All right, now you can always use the WhatsApp group as a platform to provide customer support, respond to the inquiries promptly, address customer concerns, and offer solutions to their problems. Because once you've done that, providing excellent customer service can help build trust and loyalty among group members. You can organize live Q&A sessions and webinars within the WhatsApp group to interact with their audience in real time. Now, this allows you to showcase your expertise, answer questions, and provide valuable insights that can help foster a sense of community among group members. Obviously, you can offer exclusive deals and promotions. You can reward group members with exclusive deals, promotions, and discounts that are only available to members of the WhatsApp community. Now, this creates a sense of exclusivity and incentivizes people to join and engage within the group. And obviously, you can encourage group members to the network and connect with each other. You can create dedicated threads or events where members can introduce themselves, share their business, and collaborate on projects, facilitating networking opportunities that can help strengthen relationships within the community. Now, you can also use the WhatsApp group as a platform to collect feedback and insights from your customers and target audience. You can conduct polls, surveys, and discussions to gather valuable information about their preferences, needs, and pain points. You can use this feedback to improve your products and services and tailor your marketing strategies accordingly. Now, if you are using the WhatsApp business, you can simply use the community as it grows, considering like creating subgroups based on specific interests or topics within your niche. Now, from here, if you're using a WhatsApp business, you can introduce the business to that specific niche gradually, right? Now, this allows members to engage in your business in more focused discussions and connecting with like-minded individuals. And slowly you can introduce the business and of course drive conversions and sales by utilizing the WhatsApp communities. It's a great tool for you if you can use it wisely, because it can lead to sales and a lot more. All right, so for example, this is my business and we have a separate video on how to use WhatsApp in this, which you might want to check in our channel. Please do so. And then you can always share the product catalog to your community, right? Encourage group members to share their experiences, testimonials, and user generated content related to the products or services that you're offering, especially if you are using a WhatsApp business. Highlighting user generated content not only fosters community engagement but also serves as a social proof for your business right here. Okay, and always keep a close eye on the WhatsApp group to ensure that discussions remain productive and respectful. You need to set clear guidelines and rules for group behavior and moderate any inappropriate or spammy content. In this sense, what will happen is you are creating a positive and welcoming environment is essential for the long-term success of your WhatsApp community. And from here, implementing these strategies, you can effectively grow your business and foster a thriving community in WhatsApp. Now, if you have more further questions about creating or growing your business with a WhatsApp community, I suggest you go to the WhatsApp customer support, and from here, just provide your mobile phone number, your email address, and what device you are using on WhatsApp. It can be Android, iPhone, web, and desktop, and just enter your message like how to grow a business with WhatsApp, and one of the support will be more than glad to accommodate your requests or inquiries. Or you can also go to about communities, wherein it's a specific guideline or how you can utilize the community to your business. Make sure you have time to go to the WhatsApp community right here. Just go to the WhatsApp official website and hover to the community section. And obviously you need to have the WhatsApp for business, because from here you can transform everything, engage audiences, accelerate sales, and drive better customers by choosing your product. You can have the WhatsApp business platform, that's for medium to large businesses, or you can use the WhatsApp business app for small businesses who personally manage conversions with customers. And from here, all you're gonna do is just download the app, follow the instructions, and you're good to go. I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.